When you're looking for a brand new built-in cooking appliance, make sure you have all the right info to make your choice. Measuring up is really simple. All you need to do is follow our step-by-step guide. If you're buying a built-in combination microwave, you'll always need to check the depth dimension, which can vary from 45 to 60 centimeters. The height is an average size of 46 centimeters, but this can vary if you're changing from one product to another. You won't really need to worry too much about the width, as it is a standard 60 centimeters. If you're upgrading to a new appliance, a handy way to get your measurements right is to check the dimensions of the existing appliance. Take a note so that you can refer back to them when you're browsing our website. If you're building a kitchen from scratch, you can find all the dimensions for our built-in appliances on our product pages. Once you've got your measurements and are ready to buy your new appliance, select the installation service at the checkout to make life even easier. Our engineers will do all the hard work for you, so you can get cooking.